Hey guys, Funsho here from Coach Crypto. Hope you've all had a fantastic weekend and a good start to the week. So, a few things that I want to cover today. Obviously, the market has seen a pullback and that has presented some great opportunities, but is it finished? Well, I think it might pull back a little bit further, but we're going to have to wait and see. Now, before I get into it, there are a couple of things that I wanted to mention. There are tons of free resources that We Coach Crypto offers. On our website, you can take advantage of our free 35-page guide on how to invest in cryptocurrency. Okay, packed full of information that's useful for beginners to start finding their feet and understanding more about how they can get themselves involved in this fantastic ecosystem. Then on top of that, guys, please like the videos. If you're taking any form of information from it, do us that favor, like the video, share it with your friends, help us to grow and help us to help 1 million people understand cryptocurrency. So let's get into it. Let's take a look at the markets. Just going to share my screen with you guys now. Okay, so as things stand, guys, we've actually come underneath that $2 trillion mark now. We're at 1,933,421,000,000 at the moment. Okay, now if you watched my previous video, I did say to you guys that we needed to stay above that 2 trillion, and we've come under it, which is one of the reasons why we've seen this pullback, and it's one of the reasons why we're expecting things to pull back a little bit further. Now, Bitcoin at the moment, as things stand, it's at $43,380. It's down 3.65%. Ethereum's still over $3,000, $3,086, down 2.14% on the 24-hour. Cardano has just got into the positive. It's over $2 at the moment, $2.15. Binance Coin's down 3%, $372. XRP has come under that dollar mark. It's at 95 cents now, down 1.8%. Solana is up 2.14%. It's at $143. Okay, one of the better performances of the day so far, but not really anything to shout about. Polkadot is down 2.19%. It's at $30. Dogecoin is down 3.68%. It's currently at 21 cents. AVAX down 3% at $61. And as you can see, the market is mainly in the red. Okay, so what do we do during times like this? Obviously, this market is very volatile, and we know that, but you've got to make sure that you're prepared for it. Okay, so let me tell you what I'm doing at the moment and the rest of our team. Okay, we are accumulating. So we've looked at the marketplace. Looked at that pullback. We expected it to come. We even told all of our trading group as well, just before this Bitcoin drop happened, to jump over into cash, and we've taken advantage of that. So we've saved people a lot of money from that respect and kept their profits in. So I'm accumulating at the moment. I'm looking at the market. I'm looking at what has taken the worst kind of hits, but our projects that are likely to recover their value extremely quickly. Okay, Bitcoin is the king. It will always command the market. So whatever Bitcoin is choosing to do will lead the rest of the alternative coins, altcoins, as to what kind of performance we're likely to see. So I think that this marketplace is likely to pull back a little bit further. So if you've got liquidity on the sideline, I still think it's a great time to buy at the moment, but you might have a better position that is presented to you. But we also, guys, do not have a crystal ball. There's no guarantees, and anything can happen. The last time, I think it was sort of towards the middle of the year, okay, I had said about, I felt the market was going to pull back, okay, and we could see it technically. It was overheating. But then Elon Musk went and bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, and the market just took off like a rocket. So anything can happen. It only takes for some major news to come out, a major purchase, a major company, a major celebrity, and things can take off. So if you do have liquidity on the sideline, be aware of the fact that, if you don't make a move, you could live to regret it. But at the same time, if you wait and then the market just bounces, you've missed the whole opportunity entirely. So bear that in mind. And also, the other thing that I want to talk to you guys about from a news perspective, I'm just going to share my screen with you again. Okay, so we're going to start with Cointelegraph. Okay, so a couple of the news stories here. Binance to cease crypto futures and options in Australia. So Binance users in Australia have 90 days to close their positions for futures, options, and leverage tokens. Okay. Top Brazilian investment bank BTG Pactual launches their crypto trading app. And also miners have accumulated $600 million worth of Bitcoin since February. Okay. So, there's some big news out there at the moment, and it is still positive. I see this as a positive correction, still a bullish correction. And the other news stories that I wanted to share with you, there's one over on Decrypt. Let me just bring that one up for you guys. Okay, so Solana blames denial of service attack for last week's downtime. Now, if you have bought Solana or you've been watching Solana, you'll realize, I brought this one to you guys when it was $11, okay? And it went up to around $200. So that's not far off a 20x that I've brought to you guys, completely free, all right? Because I'm trying to help people. But Solana went down. There was an outage for about a day and a half. So it's a hot topic. Solana is an explosive, growing project that people have got a close eye on, which is part of the reason why it's gone into the positive on the 24-hour today. But what they're saying is Solana blames denial of service attack for last week's downtime after initially pegging resource exhaustion as the cause. Solana gets more pointed in its initial post-mortem of last week's network outage. So what they're saying is that Solana Foundation said that a flood of transactions caused by bots was in effect a denial of service attack. We've actually got some more accurate information as to what happened there. And it's also a good sign that they're going to be able to make sure or try to prevent something like that happening again. So that's news for you guys. Okay. And all I will say is please stay vigilant during times like this. Do not get scared and sell your crypto because you think the whole market's going to come tumbling down. This happens time and time again. We've been through it so many times. Okay. It's nothing to be concerned about. It's a time where you should be rubbing your hands together and grabbing your coat and going shopping in that crypto world. So if you've got liquidity on the sideline, it is a good time to consider scaling in. Okay. If the market pulls back further, presents a better opportunity to buy even more. Averaging your prices lower, dollar cost averaging, one of, if not the best way to purchase crypto is with long-term investment to dollar cost average your way in. So you're not buying at the top and selling at the bottom, because that's how you lose money. We need to do it the other way around. We need to be buying the dip and selling the news, guys. So hope that's been informative for you all. Any questions, as always, please leave them in the comments. We always get back to you guys. Make sure you like the video. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel. We have lots of fantastic content for people. And hit the notification bell to make sure that you're updated for future videos that we release. Hope you all enjoy the rest of your week, and I will catch up with you in the next one. Take care. And guys, remember, if you're interested in trading, if you're interested in getting a long-term portfolio built and you want to work with me directly, get in contact with us. We have fantastic services that we offer that will help you to crush these markets. Catch you in the next one.